Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Stripe account and then also how you can activate that Stripe account. So first of all, you have needed an email ID and you have to create that email ID, and then after you have to sign up on Stripe. And in that way you can able to create that Stripe account. So let me show you on top right corner. First of all, you have to go to stripe.com, and then after you will be getting this specific page. On the right top corner you will be getting a button sign in. You have to click on that, and once you will be clicking on that, then you will be getting a login form. Since we don't have any Stripe account, so we are going to sign up. So you have to scroll it down, and on the bottom you will be getting the link of sign up. You should click on that, and here you will be getting the form where you need to register. So here you need to mention the email ID. So I have already created an email ID. So let me copy that email ID and then paste it over here. So I have to add my full name. So for example, actually I have already created one account on the same name, so I have to change the order of my name. My name is Mohammed Ramzan and I have just added Ramzan Mohammed. And then you have to select the country in which you are living, and then you have to set a password. And finally, actually they have some rules and regulations, like you have to add the 10 characters password. So I'm going to add 10 character password. Yes, and finally you should click on create account. So in this way you will able to create the Stripe account, and once this form is submitted successfully, then you will be redirected to the dashboard of your Stripe account. So let's wait for a while until this process is completing. So on the left top corner you will be getting this option to edit. So I'm going to edit. So you can add the name of your company or maybe any label which you are giving. So I am giving here new, for example, first account. All right, then after you should click on add name. So this will help you to rename the name of your Stripe. And first of all, I am going to verify the email address. So you need to click on verify your email. Open Gmail. We sent a verification link to this email address. So actually they have already sent us a verification email. So let's go to the Chrome, and I have to go to that specific email ID, and in that email ID I will be having an email from the Stripe to verify the Stripe account. So you have to open the Gmail address through which you have registered, and you can see that I got this email verify your email to start using Stripe. So you should click on that, and here you will be getting a button. So click on verify email address. So this will be opening on the new tab, and then the email address would be verified successfully. So now you can see that here we got a message, keywords a@gmail.com is verified, and here you can also see that we have a green tick. And then after you can also see the API test API keys. So if you will be clicking on that, you will be getting this publishable key and secret key. So if you want, you can also use these keys to do the test transactions from your maybe WordPress account or maybe anywhere where you are interested to create a demo for integration of your Stripe account. I mean Stripe payment methods like SEPA direct debit, maybe card option or any other ideal, so forth. So here we have activate your Stripe account. But before that, I wanted to show one more thing. For example, you wanted to activate some payment methods. So let me show you. For example, I am writing here SEPA. On the top search bar, you will have to click, and then you will have to click on this link, and you will be getting all the payment methods according to your country. So I am living in India, and that's why I am getting these three payment methods for now. And you have to activate these. On the right hand side you will be getting a specific button. For example, I am clicking on required access for the card, and if you have needed any SEPA direct debit, so if that SEPA direct debit is allowed in your country, so you will also get that payment method ID, also forth and all. So you should activate those payment methods from this specific page. All right, so here actually I need to do the activation. I need to fill all the details before activating the payment method. All right, that's why I get redirected to this page. All right, so keep in mind that to activate these payment methods, you have to activate your account first, and then after you can do that. And on the left side you can also see that we have a link here, activate your account to access live data. So currently we have the test access, and if you are interested to do the live testing or maybe anything else, then you have to activate your account first. All right, so let me go to the dashboard once again. So here you need to go to the home page, and then I have the link of activate your Stripe account. So you should click on that. You should click on start now. Here you will have to add your business details if you have. So for example, I have already, so I'm clicking on these. So then after you need to choose the type of business. So for example, I am individual, then you need to click on next. So for example, you don't have the company name, then you can actually, there are 13 euros fee to register with the company. I have already done that. So I will be adding the I will be showing you the website name on the next video, that where you can register for 13 euros and you will be getting the certificate and all the things. So that will help you to register your company for 13 euros only. You have no need to bother about registering with anywhere else or maybe going to the government office and stuff like that. You only need to go online and pay some fees, which is 13 euros, and then after you can register your company, and you will be getting all the relevant details for your company, like company number, company address. So if you will be verifying your company, then you will be getting a number that you can verify online. For now you have to add the details. So for example, I am writing here the full name, then after I have to add the email address, I have to add the birth date, and then after you need to mention the home address. For example, I have already mentioned the company address, so I have filled the same once again. Then after you need to click on next. We will be having the next page for the business details. So these fields are optional, so you have to choose the industry. So for example, I have the software industry. Then you have to add the business website name if you have. All right, no website yet, you can share an app, store, link, or a business social media profile. So if you don't have any website, then you have no need to bother about the stuff, because they have already given the option that you can also mention here the social media profile link. Store link or a business social media profile. So for example, I am adding here my website name, because I will be showing you that how you can add the DNS records. So those would be done only if you will have the website. So here you can add the description of your website. So I have added a short description for my business. Then you have to click on next. So according to your business, you have to mention the short description so that Stripe could identify that which type of business you are going to work on. Then after, you have to add state descriptor name. So this means that for example, you have the receipt and over there you will have the name of the website. So I have added the same name. Then short descriptor. So for example, I have the software industry, working on software industry. So I have added here software. Then you have to click on next. So here actually they have needed a mobile phone. So according to your country, you can add the mobile phone. So for example, I have the this is the code. So I have to add the mobile phone number. Then you have to click on next. Now you have to add the bank details. All right. So like IBN number, and these bank details are important because whenever you are going to withdraw your account, then you have to add these information. So these will help you to, actually I have already added earlier. So this detail I got from my Pioneer account. So you can use from there. And then after, you need to click on next. You can update these bank details later on, but for now you have to add these bank details. And you can also choose the currency. For example, I added the euro, and here I have the SMS, like two-step authentication. So use SMS, use an authenticator app, or skip for now. But you know that at the end, while submitting this, you will have to use the two-step authentication. So for now, I am adding here my mobile phone number, and they will be giving me an OTP. You should click on confirm phone number, and they have sent me an OTP. So I have to check my mobile phone, and from there I have to copy and paste. So once this is successfully enabled, then you have to download this code. Actually, this is helping you to recover the password if somehow you lost this. Then after, you have to click on done. Now we have to click on next. And finally, you will be getting this these things. So actually I got this missing required information. So something I missed, and because of which they are showing me some errors. So let me check what is missed here. So I have to add the phone number once again, because earlier I got the form for filling the phone numbers. So I missed in some places. So I have to mention the phone number once again. Then you have to click on done. Now you can verify your this is verification summary, like whatever addresses you have added over here, you have to cross check once again. Otherwise, you can, if you have missed something, then you can also edit by clicking on these edit pencil button. All right, so once everything is done, then you have to click on submit. So finally, you can see that we have the live mode now. Why? Because we have sent the request for the activation. So account details submitted. So now you can see that we had the view test data earlier, but now we have the live data also. All right. So the final thing that we have to do here is you have to click on settings on the left menu. And then after, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on emails. After clicking on the emails, you have to enable these two radio buttons, successful payment and refunds, and then after you have to scroll it down, and you can also see that here we have the stripe.com, which is verified, but we have to verify the verify over domain name. All right, so we have to add the domain here by clicking on the right hand side. We have add domain. So here I am going to write here, you have to add here the domain name, then after you have to click on add domain. So this will be providing you some DNS records that you have to update into your hosting server. Actually this is saying that it is taking a while to generate your DNS records. Please come back, but you have to close it and again click on this verify domain. You can see that we have created one record, but we have to click on verify domain, and for the second time this will be giving you some DNS records. So now we have to add these DNS records into our hosting, wherever we have our domain name. All right, I mean wherever you have the hosting server, so there you will be getting the DNS records to add. So we have to copy these and just paste over there, and then after we have to click on check records, or in that way your domain name would be verified. All right, so let me go to my hostings, and then after I will have to update everything. You also have to log into your hosting panel. You have to add your username and password here, and then click on login. So once you are successfully logged into your hosting, then after you have to find here the DNS records, and DNS records you will be getting on the hosting panel, cPanel of your hosting. Once you are scrolling it down, you will be getting a zone editor here. So let me show you that one, or maybe you can click on Control F and then zone editor. Yeah, zone editor. This is the zone editor, so you should click on this. And this will be redirecting you to the domain name server, DNS records actually. All right, so here we have to select a specific domain. So you already know that we have the domain name Ramzan Malik. So here we have to click on add records. So first of all we have to click on MX records. So you can also see over here we have the type text, type CNAME. So we have a lot of other types, so because of which we have to click on manage. Once we are clicking on manage, then we have the option of add record. So you have to click on add, click on the button add, then you have to just copy and paste. So this is the button here to copy. So I copied this, and now you have to paste it over here. Then again copy this value from here and then paste it over here. But before that you have to select the type is text, TXT, and then you have to paste it over here. Yeah, I pasted, and then after I have to click on add record. So in this way one record has been added successfully. Now we have to move ahead for the second record. So the type is CNAME. So this would be the second record. You have to click on add record. You have to add the value. Then you have to select the CNAME. Now you have to select this value and then add it over here. Then click on add record. In the same way, once that is successfully added, then after you have to add the new record. This is again the name of the record. So I have to click on add record button, then again add the value. Then you can also see check this is also CNAME. So I have to select the CNAME. Then after I have to paste the value of this CNAME record. Then after I have to click on add record. So again this once this is successful, then you have to move ahead with the next one. So this is also CNAME, this is the name, and click on add record, click on paste the value here. Then you have also needed to select the CNAME. Then after you have to paste copy this value, paste it over here, then click on add record. In the same way we have the next one. So here we have another name, so click on add record. So actually this is taking some time. Why? Because there are multiple records, and this is also CNAME. You should copy its value, you should paste it over here, click on add record, and then moving ahead for the next one. This is the name. So once this is successfully added, then you have to add the new one, select the CNAME, then after select the value, and then click on add record. Again we have the next value, which is again CNAME. You should copy the name, then after click on add record, paste it over here, click on CNAME, then after copy this value and paste it over here, then click on add record. Then after the last one we have this one. We have to copy this and we have to click on add record. We have to paste it over here. We have to select the name, which is CNAME, and also paste the value, which is over here. And this is the CNAME. We have to add the value, and then finally we have to add the record. So finally we end up with everything. And if that is correct, then once you will be clicking on this check records, then this will be helping you, giving you the verification that your domain is verified from this tribe to your hosting. So let me click on check records. So I clicked on this button, and this will be giving me this information that domain verification for this ramzanmalik.in. Did I enter my DNS record exactly? Yes. What next? Actually for 72 hours you will have to wait, and you will be getting the email that your domain name has been successfully verified or not. So you can see that we have pending verification. So you should check this after a while, and then you will be definitely getting some information related to this. But make sure that we have enabled these two buttons, and you should click on save also, so that these things get saved. So finally you can see that if you will see on the overview, we have everything verified now. So we have submitted, we have to wait for a while. And I have also mentioned in the previous video that from a single sign up you can create multiple Stripe accounts. So how? On the top left corner you will be getting this drop down, and here you can click on new account. So once you are clicking on new account, then you can add here the new name, for example second account, and you should click on create account. For example, you have two websites, so at that moment you will have needed two Stripe accounts, and from here you can create the second Stripe account, means multiple Stripe accounts according to your need. And for this new one you also have to do the verification once again. You have to submit all the details. You can also see that this is also disabled once again, and you should have to activate this specific Stripe account again. So you can see that we can select the first one. If we will be clicking on the first one, then this will be switching us the previous account which we have created earlier, and that is already activated, and we have everything here. So that's why you will see that we will be having all the options like these things verified already. So if you are facing any type of issue, you should connect me through the comment, and you can also send me the message. I will definitely help you out with the with giving you some information which I have already. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking that this video is useful for you, like this video and also subscribe this channel if you are new on this YouTube channel. So I will be uploading a lot of good information on the same channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.
Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description, which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.